Welcome to
Bula.
Welcome to PNG. So yeah, anyways, Leah's here. We came up to Rakatani to test out try out this combo. And
What is it?
what's in the combo?
Well, there are 2 pieces of lamb flap.
Lamb flaps.
2 pieces of lamb flap.
So there's lamb flaps.
A piece of lettuce.
And cocoa. Potato
cocoa?
and ginger. I can smell the cocoa, but I can see the potato.
Wow, no sleepless, I will smell cocoa.
So nice.
Oh, wait.
Oh, sanitize, guys. You have to learn to sanitize.
Yeah, someone needs to learn. Okay, so just in case you don't know, we prayed for the food already.
Yeah, we already prayed. Cheers.
That was an invitation to chew louder. I know that there's salt somewhere. But yeah, I see what the hype is about. Especially because the flap is tender.
Very tender.
I like that it's burnt on
This cocoa is really nice. You don't like burnt cocoa?
No, I said I like that it is.
You like that it's burnt. Kind of someone else like burnt cocoa. Someone else like Thai rice.
What's your preference?
Grease rice. So remember to chew slowly.
Oh, you know how you know the trend where like you try to match your
sound.
no. You match the other person's like pace of eating. Pace of eating.
Okay, match my energy.
No, you match mine. When I take a bite, you take a bite. You can only eat when I eat.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice. And eat when you're eating.
And as men don't listen to instructions, do they? But yeah, overall, I see what the hype is about.
Matching your pace.
I'm not even like slowing down. It's just yeah.
So this Rakatani, we're gonna take ours, so we'll catch you when it's finished. Rakatani was good. It was nice. Me pull up. I finished my food because I'm a good boy. Yeah. So yeah. What's your rating on Rakatani? Out of 10.
But overall, the lamb flaps is really good. The cocoa and the potato were really good as well. So 9 out of 10.
9 out of 10.
Yeah.
Okay, I would give it 9.5.
Wow. It's a high one.
It was quite good. I liked it because the cow was nice.
It was sweet. You know
Yeah.
it. Yeah.
The potato too wasn't. It wasn't like plenty of lapemsa, like dry. Like the potatoes dry. You won't really enjoy it. But over there is really nice, and the cow is really nice too. So that really complemented the lamb flaps. And the lamb flaps was nice and tender. But the 0.5, yeah, was because of the drink. The drink it wasn't cold. But I say I'm cold, but they say, cold things are nice for cold. You put inside less skin, but just. So yeah, that's it. Rakatani, 9.5, 9. Well, yeah, that's. But I enjoyed it. Me pull up. Thank you.
Yeah, and the company was alright.
Which company? Yeah.
Bottom line is it was either 9, 9.5, thereabouts.
Yes, it was 9.5 for me, 9 for her. But the company is a 10 out of 10. Okay, guys. Peace.
Bye. End it.